told your subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if Facebook not lighting on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So first thing, mostly it happened because you have problems with your internet connection, so just check your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, turn off, wait a few seconds and just turn on again. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so mostly it helps. And if you're using cellular data or mobile data, just turn off, wait a few seconds and just turn on again. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn off. Also, if you still have this issue, just go to the general, just scroll down until you will see here shutdown. Just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. And if it doesn't help you, you just need to go to the general again, just scroll down, just find here reset and just try to reset network settings. And if it doesn't help you too, you just need to check your available updates for your Facebook app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, just write in search tab Facebook, and if you see here not open but update, so it means that you have available updates, so you just need to download and install them on your iPhone. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.